just sitting a video in R&D intake so far. Right now I need to write reverse of array. Okay, so what is the logic? What do we need to do? What we need to do? We need to swap array is there. Okay, suppose array, what we need to do, input is that input equal to this, output this, and so what is the logic here? See here. Okay, we have to use swap concept here. So what is the swapping? We do swapping is we use a temporary function. Okay, temporary. Okay, temporary equal to a equal to b, b equal to 10. So this concept we use for swapping. Okay, as you know already, and so it's the same concept goes to this only in different way. Okay, and, so we use this one. Okay, and let's create function, and for some moment I need to stop this one. Get it fine. Okay, so what we are doing right now here, swapping function array reverse. So this is the function we created. Okay, for calling this function we need to just use if you want to use console dot log array reverse. Okay, this is the function you will just, if you want to show output, this is the just normal flow. Okay, so right now what we need to do, we need to define left to the concept of what we are doing here. Like we need to do swapping. For swapping we need to, what do you take right now, first element, last element. Okay, last element, first element we can take first index, and last last let right element will contain index of last element. Okay, it's like if array length is around 8. Okay, we will make 8, 7, 8 minus 1 means 7, 7 will become. Okay, okay, this is the one concept. Okay, then we need to use for loop here. While loop we will use. Okay, while equal to left, right, will left and what is the concept is that left is less than right. Then what we need to do, let us first do swapping first. Okay, swapping concept, then or this concept. Okay, if that is true then only it comes, then otherwise array, let us do swapping here. Okay, the same concept we did earlier, what we did there. Okay, left plus plus, left minus minus. Okay, so return here array. So this is the concept we need to use for array. So the swapping is done. Node reverse dot.js function array reverse. This is very very bad also. Okay, okay, swapping is done. Congratulations, this was the concept I was saying. So thank you so much. Figure out, oh, this is not big concept. What we did here, I will tell you in shortcut. Okay, so this is the concept. Okay, okay, this is the code. Okay, So what we did, you use a function. This is a function. Array reverse. Okay. Here what we did, just let's do something. Hold on. So what I'm saying, so this is the concept. Okay, first we use you know first we use array reverse function. Then second, this one is output. Okay, reverse output. Okay, this is the concept. So what we need to do right now, what we did in the first one, that is very important. Input we know, output this is the, these are the inputs. So these are the input and this is output unit. Okay, so first thing we did, assumed taken two index, first index and last index of array. Using that we got indexes of array. So this is the first step. Okay, so then what we did, we use while loop for going inside array. So first thing we did here, taken here we did this one, we did swapping. Okay, here we did swapping. What we did, we stored first element in temporary, and then we taken on array first time. What we did, suppose this is the input. Suppose first suppose input is array equal to 1 2 3 5. Okay, so right now left is equal to left equal to 0 and right equal to 2. Okay, 3 minus 2 equal to 1 equal to 2. Okay, so right now these are the elements. Okay, present. Okay, after that, so we use while loop now. While loop first iteration is this 0 is less than 2. This 0 is less than 2. Is 0 is less than 2. True or false? Yes, 2. So then which goes inside? Okay, we will do first array left. Okay, what is array in array left? Psycho array left means left is value or currently 0. So we did swapping here. The value of left 0 is 1. Okay, array right, we stored this. No. Right now I'm saying array right value is 2 is value of that 3 a 5. Okay, so these are the two. Okay, and after swapping here, temporary variable will become like temp will become like left is 1. Okay, and array left will come around array right to 5. Okay, array right will come 1. Okay, because it is taking temporary value, then it will come 1. In temporary there is 1. Okay, that's why it's coming 1. Okay, so this is the first iteration of host concept. Okay, and second iteration will be like second iteration. Second iteration, what will happen? I will explain very second iteration. Left will be what we are doing here right now. Left plus plus. Okay, it's come directly, and left will be plus. Left will be 1. Okay, right will be minus 1, because we are doing here. Because of this, it is in first iteration only. Okay, in first iteration only it's come. After that it's come like after here left will become 1, right will become 1. Okay, both are at one level. Okay, so both are this. Okay, so right now what will happen? So 1 at a left 0, left 1. Here what we check, like same while loop. When it's come to while loop, no, it will check 1 is greater than 1. It is two. Yes, 1 is greater than 2. Yes, it's true. Then so it's true. Then it will come around, I guess. So see here. Okay, 1 left 1 is like a 3. Okay, here temp will be 3 only. Right is also 3 now, I guess. Right is also 3. So swapping temporary will become 3. So value will be 3. Okay, so here the swapping is done, then values outputs are coming like this. Output, first output is already came. Okay, first output came, this was that right is coming here now. So this is a very important concept. Okay, so here what happening, the same thing is happening here. Okay, in this step happen this. Okay, so we came right now array called 1, and what is coming on right, that is answer, I think so. 1 swapping done, that 1 and 3 will come first, and then this will be third iteration. So it will be like 1 2 2. So it will be like iteration will be last, because what will happen, let's ask Google this. I don't know. Let's ask just if this is true or not. What will be, what it is true or false. So that is the reason we need to keep where less than equal to 2. Then how it's coming like this? So far I think this is the concept. I think it's 2. I think this is 2 now. Last rotation will come like same thing. Then here what will happen? Left will come around 5. So last element will come automatic layer. No, yeah, we're just 5 element and it's what is it there? Input 135 now. Actually, we need to come here like this 5 here only and 3, then 1 will come. Here, what will be like left will be 2, right will be 1. So, what in temp what will show? Temp will come or like a temporary will come like array of. We'll see na yaar. Temporary 1. Temp go to left now then left what is the present to 5 years in left it 5 will come. Hey, so cute. 135 5 will come here. Right will come. So actually index are changing, no? That's why. That is children 1 plus. Okay, that is the reason. Not, it will not be 1. It will be 0. So 0 version this one other 5. So what iteration we can? What changes are there? Changes admin name. Email. So array of right, array of 0, 1, 2, 3 came right now. It's five, 5, 3, 1. But this is not right explanation, I know it. But yeah, I thought I need to ask a lot of questions to ChatGPT right now. Because this concept I not clear, but I'm just trying to what I got from here, this is simple concept. The shopping industry, but didn't get this concept. What I got, I got everything there, but one thing I didn't get is that. Alright, how it is printing? Because array modify in place by reference, not copied. In JavaScript, array are mutable, so when you change array left, array right, you are changing original array itself. Oh, only this one should happen. I think I think in while loop after fail also one time. Do you think loop doesn't run? Explain me with iteration. Here while loop is okay. First initial state will be this one, left equal 0, right equal 0, left right 0 2. So time array 1 by 1. Okay. So you got right. No, I was when I was explaining, we didn't get. I guess I think I was also confused little. What this prints? So array are mutable. This index also changes. So that's problem. It means it means array are mutable. What is that? So this was the concept, guys. That is a very quick introduction of reverse. So it was like very mind blowing, but yeah, it is my concept. So Nothing like that. Mutable means changeable. Okay. So I want to see this react in an array. She said let array equal to 1, 2, 3, 5. Node array.js. Array not defined. Okay. Oh, yeah. Small things are very important. I guess. Will not win, but yeah. So you can change third position. One, two, three, four. Okay, it changed 10 here. So yes, arrays are mutable. So it's proved. So that is a problem. So this was a video, and thank you so much for watching video.